So guys, this is a step-by-step guide on how to create your own Payoneer account and start receiving dollars, pounds, and euros directly into your local bank account, or you can link it up with your own dollar account. So you can choose, and you can also from there make your payment. If you have not watched my video about the importance and benefit of having this particular account, go here and watch it. In this video, I just want to go straight and let us do the walkthrough on how you can register. The first thing you will do in your Payoneer account is for you to go click on registration, and it will take you to where you can open your account. So the moment you click, it will bring you to this particular interface. It will ask you, choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. This is what you will do. Now, if you know you are a freelancer, you are receiving payment from other people that are paying you, you choose this one. If you are selling something online, digital product, courses, your expertise, apart from you are not a freelancer like you are selling digital products, you go with this. Then this is for affiliate marketer. If you are involved with ClickBank, Digistore, and other affiliate marketing platform, choose this particular one. If not, you have problem later. Then here, if you are maybe you want to use it for payment, you are hosting vacation rentals, I don't really know the benefit of this particular one, then this is for individual. Now, some people will ask, what is the difference between you having this one, which is for the individual, and for affiliate marketers? Now, you can choose to go with this one. It's just create an account, but it will not have the features that allow you to just do things as though you are an affiliate marketer. So in my own case, I'll just go with this because, okay, I can choose. You can choose to go with this or go with this. If you don't have anything you are doing, you are not specifically into anything in particular, go with individual. If you have something you are doing and you know that this is strictly for affiliate marketing, money collection, like the first one I did was for affiliate marketing, I went with this. For the purpose of this video, let's assume you are just an individual, you have a business, you are a freelancer, you are selling online products, you meet all these criteria. You can do any one of them, then go with this particular one. Once you choose that one, it will ask you, what do you want to do with Payoneer? You want to get payment from global people, like from global companies, and add funds from bank account, convert currency, etc. Or you want to send and receive money between friends and family, or you want to order a prepaid card. Don't choose any of these two. Go with this one. You want to make global payment. You want to add funds from bank account, convert currency, etc. Choose that particular one. So when you are here, it says freelancer, agency, or service provider. You see, it takes you back to that same one. So this one is for people like us. You are a business owner, you have an agency, you have any kind of service you are providing, then it will still bring you here as the best option. That is how you get it done. Now, when you are here, what you just need to do is click to register. So you will come to this particular page. On this page, you have a very important thing to decide on. On this page, you will see the question here. It says, is your business being registered with any government licensing or tax authority? Your option, the answer here is no, my business isn't registered. Yes, I own or represent a registered business. This one is for people who have registration. If you know your business is not registered, my brother, just go with no, my business isn't registered. Straight, choose this one and provide your details. So put in all your information, put your date of birth. Let's go with something like this. Now they won't allow me to pass through this stage, right? They will not allow me to pass this particular stage. Why? Because I already have a Payoneer account. Let's just use something. Let's say contact us, at beninfo247.com. This is one of our company's email. We'll choose date of birth here, November, and the year will be, go with this. Boom. At this point, you will choose your country because they will need certain information about your country. So you choose your address. Let's see, just put any address here. So you choose your address. So you go with your street number. Let's say number 23, Lagos Road, like this. This thing, put your zip, put your details here, put your phone number and your verification. So you have your details, put your phone numbers here. Then, once everything is okay, the moment you click, boom, they will send you a code. That code will go straight to your email and to your phone number. So that is why the email must be something that you can use. Email and phone number. You fill your email, then you fill your phone number. They will send you notification to your phone number to verify and make sure that that phone number is okay. Not your email, but your phone number. The moment you do that, they will give you the code. You carry the code, you insert the code into this place, and this next button will be activated. Now, this is the most important aspect. Once this thing is done, the next place is security check. On your security check, they will ask you security questions. If you've answered that particular security question, the next thing they will do for you is they will ask you to link your local account to provide proof. They will ask you to send proof of identity. This proof of identity simply means that they need your ID card, like international passport or your national ID card. If you give them those information, they will verify and allow you to have access to the account. The moment they give you access to the account, there will be one more thing that you will do, is for you to link your local account. Now, when it comes to linking your local account, you give them your bank details. You have to give them your bank details. They will tell you the bank details to provide. You provide those particular bank details. The moment you provide these bank details, they will approve you and you will start using your Payoneer account. I hope this tutorial has taken you to the steps on how you can create your Payoneer account. If it works for you, comment below. If you're having any challenges, let me know. In fact, I might decide to even do a video where I actually create a real account and walk you through the entire process again. But go and work with this. I'm sure you will just have your account just as I have mine. If you don't know the benefit of Payoneer, watch the video about the benefit of why you need a Payoneer account. Then after that, you can go and watch the other videos about how to create digital products and start selling and using Payoneer account to receive your payments for your services. See you in the next video, guys.